Hi y'all, Dave Kennedy here, Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas. It's a beautiful day. It's Thursday, January 29th. I'm in the Bernie, Texas area. Perfect riding day down here. I don't know about North Texas, but I hope you all are getting the ride. I wanted to remind folks of some dates to keep track of, put on your calendar. The last day to register for the tour is February 28th, period. Or if 1,200 or more folks register, I'll cut it off early. If you want to pick up your tour flag on February 21st, though, you need to register before January is over. If you register in February, you won't be able to pick up your tour flag in Kerrville. It'll just be mailed to you. The Houston area Ride for Kids event is going to take place on May 17th. They didn't have it last year, but they're going to have it. They had it prior to that, and we had a team, Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas team for that event in 2024. So we're going to do that again in 2026. So you'll see me add that as alternate tour stop number 6. So if you participate in that ride, you'll get credit for another tour stop, and it's a great event. It's a lead event. They have a nice ride out in the countryside. It's not through the middle of Houston, believe me. It's out in the countryside. It's a nice ride, and it benefits the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. So it's for a great cause. It's a fun event. So that'll be alternate stop number 6. On September the 12th, Lone Star Rider will host a ride that he calls the Bad Ride, Bikers Against Diabetes. He's going to host it out of the Pride Barbecue in Atkins, Texas, which is just outside of Loop 1604, which runs around San Antonio. So that should be a fun event. He'll be there, obviously, with his van. You can get a picture with his van if you haven't already done that. But you can enjoy a great event for another great cause. Details will be posted later, more details on that event. Again, November the 15th will be the very last day to upload tour stop pictures. The portal will be closed after that date. If you're coming to Kerrville for the tour flag pickup, I got one thing I want to show you. I just picked up new hats, tour hats, adjustable. I think they do a very nice job on those hats. This is really the one piece of tour gear that I have inventory. I'll have a little bit of an inventory of. Everything else that you buy on the website is produced and shipped to order. I like the quality of the hats they make. It's a San Saba cap in Kerrville, where I get these made. They have a shop in San Saba and a shop in Kerrville. So they do good work. I have 12 of them that I just picked up. If you're interested in a hat, $29 plus tax, and I'll have them in Kerrville. But if you want one and you're going to go to Kerrville, send me an email. I'll send you an invoice, pay ahead of time, and I'll have it set aside for you in Kerrville. If there's any left after the tour flag pickup day, then I'll sell them to other folks, but I'll have to add a little bit for shipping. So I look forward to seeing the folks coming out in Kerrville, February 21st, who registered in January, and look forward to seeing everybody on the tour.